Lovely job, mate. Lovely job. Well, we got a file.
You ready, Sam?
Yeah, I've been filming.
You're filming?
I'm filming.
Oh.
Right,
What are we doing, Tony?
Right, we are making, today, we're making a chicken burger. Now, it's not going to be any old chicken burger, it's going to be the bull chicken burger. And the reason we're making a bull chicken burger is because of this little puppy here. Now, Bradley, tell me about our little puppy friend there.
Have a look at how nice that looks on the packet. Keep that camera there. Where's the resemblance? There ain't none. Now, we're not here to slag off Rustler burgers, but trust me when I say that don't look like that, and I ain't got my glasses on.
Listen,
and nor is he.
That, it looks nothing like that. So, we weren't going to do this today, but we've decided to do this. We're going to recreate the ultimate Rustler chicken burger.
It inspired us.
It did really. Yeah,
we're going to do a cheeseburger later on.
We are.
Were you going to thank you, something?
I was going to thank you, Rustler.
Thank you, Rustler, for the inspiration for 3 great videos. Because we're going to do the chicken burger, the cheeseburger, and we've just done the hot dog.
Just done the hot dog. So we're recreating what Rustler have tried to create, basically.
Yes. We're going to recreate the photography of Rustler in real life.
Yeah.
And we're going to cook that as well, and then we're going to put that beside our one, and then you decide what's better.
Simple as that.
Yeah?
And we're using 100% chicken breast, as you can see there. Brad,
no bones, no guts, no eyeballs.
He just butchered that off the chicken.
I don't know what's in that. I ain't looked. I don't know
well,
what's in
there.
that. But I know there's no bones, no guts, no eyeballs in that.
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah. Can you read?
Right, that's 100%, I ain't got the glass on, that's 100% chicken breast there, obviously, and we're going to put our own little spin on it. That's got 49% chicken in it.
There you go.
49% chicken. And then obviously it's got our preservatives and stuff in it, like that, but...
We ain't here to do science.
49% chicken is taking a piss.
What I've done, I've took the breast off a chicken carcass, we flattened it, right? We've got some seasoned flour, a little bit more. Seasoned flour, egg wash. Tone's just toasted up some nice farmhouse bread. He's going to blend it down so we've got a bread crumb, and we're going to season that as well. Yep. So we're going to go in with the chicken into the flour, from there to the egg, from there to the crumb, from there straight in the fire.
It's a bit up, Bradley.
Preheated. You want to cut that up?
Yeah, actually, let me cut that up over here.
Cut that up with the ball.
Did you tell them what we've got in our seasoned flour?
No.
Okay, so in our seasoned flour, we've put in there, obviously, standard seasoning, salt, pepper. We've gone in with a little bit of paprika, and we've gone in with a little bit of cayenne pepper. And we'll do the same with this as well.
Yes, we will. We'll season the breadcrumb up exactly the same, so you get a double layer of spice.
Beautiful.
Naughty, but...
Naughty but nice.
Oh, yeah.
Naughty but nice, just the way we like it.
That bread's lovely.
You could actually... Here he goes.
Here he goes, the bread man.
Has that burnt your tongue?
Oh, that's hot.
Has burnt your tongue, innit?
Well,
it's nice, Sam. Nice bit of bread, Dan. Little farmhouse. I like a bit of farmhouse. Yeah, so it's not going to be a long video, this actually. It's only be about 10 or 15 minutes long. But really, we ain't, to be fair, we ain't taking the piss out of Rustler. No, to be fair.
There's room for one of them.
There's room for Rustler burgers. We've said this before and we'll say it again. There's room for one of them. But what we're going to show you is you can create basically a chicken burger for next to nothing money-wise.
Same sort of money as buying that.
And
same sort of money. If you think, yeah, look, work this mess out. Yeah, we weren't going to do this, but we're going to do it.
Go on, Brad.
That cost £1. Yeah? Went to the supermarket and bought that for £1.
Yeah.
We just bought a whole chicken for £2.
Yeah.
£2.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got 2 chicken breasts.
Yes.
2 legs.
Lovely.
2 wings.
Thighs.
We've used one, and thighs. We've used 1 breast.
Meat underneath it as well. You know,
70p?
Nice bits of meat underneath it as well. Yeah. They're nice in bits of meat, aren't they?
All the little side breasts and everything like that. Got them in
you know the oyster bits on the chicken?
Yes.
Get on front of your track now, aren't they?
Yeah, right. Anyway, that there is about 70p's worth of chicken. Right? We've got a bun. Pack of them buns was 70 odd pence.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
35p. So a bun and a chicken breast, £1. Little bit of egg, little bit of flour, in a fryer.
You really and truly, you'll have a bit of flour indoors.
We can recreate that, but better, for the same money, in 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes, mate.
Hold that full. Hold that full.
Right, I'm going to bang this up now, so it's probably going to be a little bit noisy. We're going to keep it a little bit lumpy.
Yeah, you want it too thin.
Yeah, we don't want it too... Oh, I think we're nearly there, mate. Nearly there.
Where's my cheese?
Have a look. I'm going to get... Found it, mate. Yeah. Right, another 10 seconds. 10 seconds there and thereabouts. That sound doing that in. Let's have a look, mate. Yeah, right, we're there. We're there. Yeah, I'll take it off, Sam, and I'll show you if I can get it off. It's a bit.
Got a twist.
There we go.
Push.
Twist, twist. There we go. Look at that, mate. Beautiful breadcrumbs. It's better, actually, with your bread. I mean, I've toasted that off, but you can do that with stale bread. You're better off using stale bread for breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
But if you ain't got no stale bread,
Stick it in the oven, 10 minutes.
and you're good to go. Look at that.
Little bit of season.
A little bit of season, and we all know you like a bit of season, don't you?
Little bit of season. I love a bit of season. A little bit of salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. Lovely.
That cayenne, that one. Oh yeah. A little bit of paprika in there,
A
Bradley.
little bit of paprika.
I think so, mate.
Paprika!
Colour that's going to be beautiful as well. Look at that, mate. Look at that. I'm going to.
You see that colour as well? That'll give you a golden look on your chicken. Once it's fried up, that'll give you a nice golden look, yeah?
Lovely, that, mate.
You with me, Sam?
Absolutely lovely, that, mate. I'm just taking the R bit out. A little bit of an R bit in there. I'm going to take it out so we can get that over.
Right.
And that chicken burger like that.
Right, there you go. Put that to one side. So, chicken's moist already, right? So what you want to do, you want to get it dusted in the flour, yeah? Sam, you're going to make this indoors later, aren't you?
Yep.
I knew you
Are
would.
you, Sam?
He needs to. He needs to cook for these young girls.
All these young girls he's got going on at the minute.
Make sure you
Jeez.
coated that chicken properly, yeah?
4 or 5, 6 or 7 he's got something
Dust that
like
off straight. 4, 5, 6 or 7 times, that right?
Yeah, he knows.
Definitely not right.
Definitely not right, no?
No.
He knows, don't worry about
Coat it, fully coated, yeah?
Retired.
Yes, Brad.
Right, here we go. Woo! Straight in the crumb, right? Now you're going to do, you're going to get the crumb, you want to smother that in the crumb. Pat it in as well, pat it down.
Brad, you were whispering.
Oh,
You
wow.
were whispering. You were whispering there.
What you
Look
got
up.
to do, you've got to
You
pat
know
it
that's
down.
going off.
Get it
It's
down,
going
right?
off when it's whispering.
Get the crumb.
Were they broke up nuffy, them crumbs?
Nice.
Yeah?
That's what you want. When I did this the other night, I didn't do it with chicken burger. I did
Yeah.
breaded chicken, slightly different.
Yep.
But trust me. Let me wash your hands, Sam.
Was it nice, Brad?
Right. It was restaurant quality.
Yeah.
Trust me, I promise you. You know I'm fussy, and we're fussy. We're fussy.
Yeah.
We're fussy. It was restaurant quality. Right.
Nice, sir.
That's on. That's on. Here we go.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Let's have a look, Brad. Let's have a look at it.
Get like that.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah?
Look at that, baby.
Straight
Woo.
in. Straight in, yeah?
That's going to be so good.
Put the lid on it. 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a shake halfway through. Trust me. Trust me. Banging.
Yeah. Right, I'll tell you what we can do then. We can put some of this stuff just over here for now. We don't need that.
No, we've got a cleaner coming in later.
Yeah, the cleaner comes in.
Cleaner comes in and cleans up in a little while. Isn't that right, Sam?
Yeah.
That's right.
No. What happens is, Sam edits the videos and sits down and does it with a cup of tea while me and him do all the hard work myself. That's the truth.
I mean, look at our hands. Look, they're lovely.
Look, they're lovely and soft.
Fairy.
Soft.
You want to come and give us some bottles of fairy?
See you in 4.5 minutes then.
See it? No, hold
Hold
on.
up. Hold up. What? You've got to pause us there. What's he trying to do? I've done the bum.
What
Bum's there.
sauce are we going in with this?
I think, Bradley, we should use the sauce you made earlier on it.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
What's your thoughts now? Do you think you need a mayo in there?
Ah, you think you need a mayo?
I think you need a mayo. I think we should jazz a mayo.
Go on then, jazz a mayo up.
Because I think, I get where you're going with that, but I think you said about using it on a burger as well.
True.
And I think,
I like a bit of spice though. With spice things. Alright, Ted?
what's up, mate? What do you need?
I was going to say, can I go out
Yes?
to the shops?
You want to go to the shop? We're cooking, doing a cooking show.
Yep.
He wants to go to the shops to get something to eat.
Teddy. Seriously?
Actually, he wants to do exactly what we've done this morning, where we've gone and brought
A Rustler burger.
a meal deal.
Yes.
We brought a meal deal, and we've got another video going on later on where we're going to recreate pre-made sandwich. Why don't you wait a minute, and I'll make you the perfect chicken and bacon sandwich.
Yeah.
No.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
What do you want, Ted? Right, tell us the truth then.
I want to go to Greg's.
He wants to go to Greg's, right? Okay.
I want to get myself a roll.
A roll? We can make you a roll.
roll.
Yeah.
I want one of those chicken ones from Greg's.
I can make you a better chicken roll than Greg's.
Oh, Ted.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Teddy.
Oh, okay.
Come on, on, Ted.
Oh, we can.
Seriously?
You're breaking my heart. Right, go in there and come back in a minute.
Go on, get him out, mate. Get him out. Get him out.
Slap him.
He's embarrassed, isn't he? He's embarrassed, isn't he?
That's what they're like, kids, isn't it? You can't write them. Wait, we're going shopping in a minute. We'll go with you. We're going shopping. Look, we forgot. We're doing another recreation. We told you, and we forgot the beef patty, didn't we, Sam?
Yeah.
We forgot the beef patty. Right. How are we getting on?
Yeah, mate. You alright?
Hey.
Hey, hey,
Hey.
hey, mate. Hey, you there, aren't you? You there?
Hey.
You there, aren't you? I'm there, mate. There. I don't reckon you're going to be long.
We're there.
There's a bit of lettuce. Let me have a wipe up with that.
How long was that, Sam? Can you
About
remember?
2.5 minutes, I think. 3 minutes.
Is that all that's been in for so far, yeah?
I think so.
Quick. Quick time. Hot, wasn't it?
Quick time. Quick time. Right, I'm just toasting off the bun here. So it's going to be nice and soft still in the middle. I put a bit of oil on that a minute ago, and that's actually it's chilli and garlic oil. Just toast them off here, be nice and soft in the middle, and be nice and toasted up. That's it. Nice colour on there, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's that done. Brad, you ready with your chicken?
Bravo.
Oh, do you want a little bit of... No, it might kill it, might need a little bit more onion. It'll kill it. Do you think it will? It'll kill the taste.
Yeah, ruin it.
That is the trouble with, I think we've said this before, that's the trouble with when you buy burgers out of takeaway places and they've got raw onion in it.
It overpowers us right away.
Raw onion overpowers. When you've got a nice beef patty, raw, it just overpower that nice beef flavour.
Let's jazz up.
That looks good, mate.
Let's
That looks
jazz
really
up.
good.
Where's that little ramekin?
That one over there, mate. That looks really good. Have a look at that bounce. See, look, both sides toasted. It's hot. Nice. I'm going to get that another 10 seconds. That's going to get a little bit of colour on that. That gives us a little bit of flavour. I'm going to stick this over in like that. That pan's going to go in there like that. You jazzing it up, bro?
Jazzing it up. You ready, Sam? Bit of boring mayonnaise, right? This ain't the ball mayonnaise. This is just showing you we ain't got it prepared. That's why.
No. Doing it off the cuff, ain't you, mate?
Off the cuff. Just jazzing up a boring bit of mayonnaise.
Yes. I'll tell you what you might want, Brad, is spoon out to do
Got
your...
one.
Oh, you got one? Right. There you go. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Jazzing things up, mate. Let's have a go. Yeah, nice.
Missing anything?
Yeah. Just put pepper in.
Yeah.
Have a little bit more pepper, bro. Where is the pepper? Yeah, I've got you. Oh, I've got the heat of that now.
Oh.
No more pepper.
No more pepper.
No more pepper, mate.
That'll be nice in there. A little bit
Right.
nice as well.
That's lovely. There you go. Shall I tell you what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to stick on our rustler, shall I?
Stick the rustler
I'll
on.
get a rustler on the go. Right, so how long does a rustler take?
Read the back.
I'll have a look at the back of it in a minute. Let's get this open. Let's have a look, mate. I reckon that's going to be about a minute, isn't it? A minute tops. Can't see it being much more than that, can you, Brad?
Can't see it being much more than that. No, son. I can't. It's about 1:30, I think they are. Not that I've done them before.
Minute 30 exactly.
I just did the hot dog, didn't I?
No,
I just did the hot dog.
Well done, well done.
I just did the hot dog, didn't I? I just did the hot dog.
How's that, Brad?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Nice, mate.
Perfect
Nice.
and white.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful stuff. We're getting there. We're getting there. How long have we been cooking, Sam?
14 minutes.
30 minutes.
14 minutes.
40 minutes, and we've been chatting and cooking and whatnot. And so, that looks good, mate. Yeah? Bit more sauce on there.
I ain't got a lot.
Woo-hoo. 20 seconds to go for me. Everything's off, everything's cleaned down nearly. We're ready to go.
I've only got that.
That's alright, mate.
You need a little bit more knocked up. What do you reckon, G?
I reckon you're right. You
I
got
think
some on
you're
the
right.
top.
You're alright, yeah?
I think you're alright, mate.
Alright then, cousin.
I think you're alright. Get
So,
rid of that.
we're going straight on.
We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. There we go. What do you reckon of that then? Right, how are we doing,
got-
Brad?
Yeah.
So, we've got the board. Oh, you're going through with one, are you?
I'm going through
You're
one.
going to go through with one. Yes, Brad. Ready? Look at that. Right, the bald chicken burger
Versus,
the Rustler chicken burger.
you decide. Who wins?
Which one would you rather take out?
Same money. That costs £1. That costs £1.
And when that hard was it to do?
Hey.
Easy.
Sam, bit
Which
strong.
one ingredients, Brad? Sam, what would you choose?
The one on the left.
One on the left, mate. What do you mean one on the left?
My left.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, put them like that. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. Yeah. Together. You decide, brother. Get that thumbnail, cuz.
What one do you want?
You got the thumbnail?
You got it, mate. You got it.
We're done on that.
You got it.
So yeah, get a picture.
Get me
Oh,
thumbnail.
Go on, Sam. Go on, Sam. Cut through that, Brad. Just run quickly. Just cut through it, and then we cut through this one. Go on, mate. Just go. Oh yes, manly cut that was, you know. Go on, do that one. Right.
How about rubber?
It is like rubber. And then we have it at the house. There you go, people. Look at that.
It's what we do, people. It's what we do.
Not much else to say about that.
Coming
is
to you very soon in our own bald cooked food truck.
Oh.
Sam, we leave you that bit, mate. Me and Tony are having that bit.
All right, mate. Come on, we're eating.
Sorry, mate. Have a good
Until
day.
next time.
That is unbelievable.
Bye.